What's up, guys? Crank and Spank here. We're going to be replacing the PCV valve on the 302, so we're going to show you how to do that today. We're getting a little bit of oil leaks from that side of the block. Not that it can be both, but specifically that side. We just replaced gaskets and stuff. It's just a precautionary, a little bit of white smoke coming through, so we're going to see how this PCV valve is, and if it's stuck, what we're gonna do is shake the valve. Let me grab this one. So I've got a brand new one right here, and to tell that these are good, just give it a little rattle, a little shake, and you should hear that rattle from the valve. So we're gonna pull this one out and see if this could be an issue. Again, it's a very cheap fix, $7 for the part, so it's worth the shot. So I'm just using a pair of pliers to get that clamp off, and so it should just move right off the valve here. Come on. There we go. This guy should pop out here. Got a little bit of moisture in the valve. You can kind of see it. It's kind of hard to see. See a little bit of sludge in that valve, and I'm gonna go ahead and give her a shake now. And so I just grab this new one. You can hear the new valve, how well it rattles. And then this one is the old one. I'm gonna put it up here to the mic so you can hear it just doesn't shake it as much. Here's the new one, and here's that old valve. So could be a good sign. So again, easy fix, and we're just gonna replace this and see if this solves a little bit of the issues. Just plug and play. Go right back on. Nice. In fact, I'm gonna seat it down there. Get this hose back on. And this clamp right back on the hose here. Perfect. There you go. And as simple as that, that's how we replace the PCV valve. Hope this helps, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.